Let's go over the headlines in crypto over the past week. Pro-Bitcoin and mega dovish Fed Governor Waller is expected to become the new Fed chair in 2026. The state of New Hampshire just officially launched the first Bitcoin bond in history. New Zealand to teach crypto in schools. Digital currency will be added to the financial curriculum for years 1 to 10, starting in 2026, with full mandatory rollout in 2027. Below is the U.S. business cycle plotted since 1970. The circled peaks directly match the Bitcoin blow-off tops we've already experienced. Accounts talking about how we're now in a bear market and think Bitcoin is headed towards 70,000 simply don't understand yet that we haven't had a blow-off top. And it goes on to say the 4-year halving cycle just happened to coincide with the 4-year business cycle. As you can see in the chart here, 1970, 1980, 90, 2000, 2010, 2020. This dip here is 2008, the crash. And this dip here is March 2020, the flash crash. So this blue-gray chart here measures the U.S. manufacturing industry. So when it's below 50, this is below 50%, that means the economy is shrinking. When it's over 50%, it means the economy is expanding. And so you can see here in 2013, 2017, 2021, when Bitcoin and crypto had their blow-off tops, that was also at tops, at peaks in the growth of the economy. And so you can see here, it's been below 50 for the last few years. So the U.S. isn't going into a recession. It is already in one and has been for the last few years. And so what this guy is suggesting, and I agree with, is we're not going to see a blow-off top in Bitcoin or crypto in a euphoria until we see a top in the growth of the economy. Crypto's longest extreme fear in 3 years. The index is still at 15, marking 8 days of brutal extreme fear. This is now the longest extreme fear streak since the FTX collapse 3 years ago. So you can see this is the FTX collapse here in 2022, and this is where we're at right now. Tyler Winklevoss posted this. Sometimes all a person needs is that one missing piece. Privacy is normal. Privacy is a fundamental human right. Privacy is paramount to freedom. I suspect this is going to become a bigger topic of conversation over the next few years. And it's an important one, so pay attention. But privacy is normal. Privacy is good. We need privacy. If you want the links to these posts, go to my profile page, go to my website, and join my email list. Every week, I send an email with the links to these posts and more. Thanks for listening.